This is called The Sounds of
Frosty
Silence.
Heidi and Frank. Hello, Darren. You're on 97.1.
I've come to talk with you again.
I mean, we'd have to work all the details out.
A vision softly creeping.
Bleh. Home Depot chicks.
While I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain.
John and Jeff.
Yeah, they are hot
They could do
chicks.
some, girl-on-girl action with each other.
Mm-hmm. John could dress up as an Asian, or Jeff could dress up, well, whichever.
In restless dreams I walked alone.
But as I'm going down the jet walk or the catwalk, whatever you call it,
Breezeway.
the jet breezeway, that.
Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold.
Well, Heidi would try to pull this off and look cute.
When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light,
Let's hear this Heidi singing.
and touch the sound.
Frosty, Heidi, and Frank.
And in the naked light I saw.
If you did do the Playboy thing, would you go top and bottomless and let everybody see you?
People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs.
We should write one.
That voices never share.
You and me can write it together on my patio like Bacharach and David.
Disturb the sound of
Frosty, Heidi, and Frank.
Who said I you do not know?
What do I know? I'm just a dumb guy.
Silence like a cancer grows.
Viva Viagra!
Hear my words that I might teach you.
Lolly, lolly, lolly.
Take my arm that I might reach you.
Here goes his hand. Pat, pat, rub,
But
rub.
my words like silent raindrops fell.
Na, 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 na.
But they couldn't write words there.
Forgot him.
Food in the well.
Frosty, Heidi, and Frank.
And the people bowed and prayed.
Oh, my.
Looks like somebody begun this rule against alcoholic beverages in fraternities on probation.
Flashed its warning.
Ring,
The word it was forming.
wahoo.
And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls.
Mr. Martin,
And tenements
I'm beginning to think that you're suffering from hallucinations, which are probably induced by the excessive use of a cigarette that ain't exactly legal.
Frosty, Heidi, and Frank.
You really have to listen to the whole show.